Tengoku. We have a naked Subaru. Whatever, naked Subaru. Let me show you something. Why? Why are your stock cats back out? And why is your intercooler out? And your downpipe heat shield? And why is the first two nuts and bolts on your downpipe off? We're going back to stock on the downpipe side. Very good reason for that, which will be explained. Oh no! Catless downpipe, catted downpipe, naked car, a Swave and a Carol and a Nico. Almost there. Almost there. Now, it wouldn't be a car video if something didn't go wrong, right? Pick this shit. See that turtle shell heat shield right there? Wonder why we took it off? The fucking bung decided to break when we tightened the O2 sensor. So I literally screwed it in with my fingers and this shit just snapped off. So we're gonna just re-weld this tomorrow. Take it to the shop, weld it, and pick up the video tomorrow. Fuck it. It is officially day numero dos. That is Spanish with 2. Okay, normally, obviously, you know, normally in ideal situations, you don't need 2 days to install a downpipe. It takes 30-40 minutes, unless you're me. Weld up. We got it welded back up. Fresh welds on the bung, ready to go. I gotta put the heat shield back on real quick. Get the downpipe ready, which actually, literally just put the heat shield on, I'll be ready. And take the extra nuts and studs off the turbo, because I just put them here so I didn't lose them. Let's go get. Look at the little baby turbo, the little baby BF39. Here's 1, 2, 3, senor. Let's get the turtle shell heat shield back on and the downpipe back on so I can go buy the cats some food. So what we have here, constantly vinyl wrap. I don't know what it's called, but let me tell you guys something. I was browsing the good old eBay interwebs, looking for a used old JDM part because obviously it's an old JDM part. It's going to be used. I found what I was looking for, but I also discovered this vinyl company. It's not even, I don't know how. Obviously it's a China brand. Put it that way, it's a China brand. But okay, here's what caught my attention. I was looking, by the title of this video, I was looking for another color for the SCI. I'm not tired of the black. I don't know. I have the itch to wrap something. I don't know anyone else that wants to wrap their car and that'll let me do it because obviously you gotta buy the vinyl and vinyl's not cheap. If you buy a 3M vinyl or Avery vinyl or a Hex's vinyl, it's not cheap. And I was looking for a certain color in 3M. I went to Metro Restyling, where I get all my vinyl from. Sold out. Alright? So, it's funny because, well, I was looking for that color. And I was looking for my rare JDM part. This so happened to pop up maybe because internet's watching me, you know, and they see I was searching for vinyl. But, okay, so I was like, let me just order a sample. It was like $3, $4 for all these samples. Let me show you. We have, I think this is just gloss white. I can't tell. They don't write on the back like 3M does. It's just like a gloss white. And here's a white with a bluish hue to it. It actually looks really nice. Like, I'm not going to lie. Like, let's see if I can show you in the light. Like, you can't really tell on the camera. But this one is like blue. It's like a white with a blue hue to it. Like a blue shine to it. Oh, wait. There you go, kind of. You can kind of see it on the camera. But in person, it actually shines a lot. Looks really cool. This one is like white with a purplish shine to it. I hear a fart getting into it. I think Nikki's here. It's like a purplish shine to it. Ah, shit, you can't really tell. I want to get a good angle. Let me see. No, hell no, you can't see it at all on the camera. Okay, this one, you just gotta trust me though. Trust me on this, okay? Well, you can kind of see it. It's like a purplish kind of color to it, right? Next one. This one is, I think, white with gold. So this is like white with gold sparkle, kind of like how 3M has their color. This one you obviously can't really tell on camera at all. It just looks like yellow light, but that's gold flake, and it's really, really gold in person, I promise you. And this one is pink, I think. White with, yeah, this is white and pink. Look at that. You can't really tell on camera either, but you can see the pink right there. How the light is pink. I might use one of these samples. What we're going to see in the next clip is that we're actually going to go, probably use the satin white one. We're going to go outside and test this shit. I'm going to see how far it stretches and see if it's any good. It's really cheap shit. A full roll, $297, I want to say, for a full roll of this shit. Well, not a full roll, it would be considered their full roll of 65 feet, so we're going to go outside and test this shit. Can you tell the shine? You can't see it on camera. That's the Kakakinsley. Wait. So this is Kakakinsley. I don't care. Kakakinsley. Kakakinsley. I don't know how to say this name. How do you say that name? This is, I'm gonna call this China. This is China wrap. China wrap right here. This is their white with gold, supposedly, okay? It's hard to see it on camera, but I promise you it is shiny. Right, witness?
Yes.
It's very shiny? Okay. Now here's the 3M one. Can you see the 3M one on camera? You can't. You can't see the gold on the camera.
The glitter?
The glitter, you can't see it. If I get up close. No, you could barely see it. But like, it looks silver, like silver sparkles, but in person, it's gold. You can kind of see it right there. Look, there is flaky. So the difference between China and 3M is more of a flake, and this is more of like a, how would you explain the difference?
Like iridescent.
Yes, this is more iridescent, and the other one is more flaky. They both look good. I mean, I kind of like the way the 3M looks better, I'm not going to lie, but, you know, it is what it is. We're going to test out the world's cheapest vinyl. If I tested out the world's cheapest fairings on the R1 that's currently behind my garage door, I can test out the world's cheapest vinyl. So here's the plan. We are not going to test this color, though. We're actually going to test this blue one, because the white one already slightly peeled, so the stickiness sucks on it. But this one has not been peeled at all, so we're going to use the blue one as our guinea pig. White with blue flake, and we are going to see how well it sticks, how well it'll stretch, and all that good stuff. I cleaned off this area here in the door jam because it's not wrapped. So this one we're going to use for our test to see how it sticks. I don't know where my squeegee's at, shit. I should probably get it out though. Let us squeegee down this China vinyl. So I should probably just chop this shit right here off. I don't know if I want to cut it right there. We'll use this, we'll stretch this. We'll see how far this will stretch. You'll be camera woman and puller. Vinyl puller. Give it a little tug.
Oh, it's already curling under.
Beautiful. Oh my god, it doesn't stretch like at all, huh?
Try it again.
Oh my Jesus.
Yeah, it does. Look at it.
It stretches, but I mean like, not that much. Not compared to like 3M stretch. This stuff might be hard to work with, but it's sticking. Let's see. But don't stretch it and see. I mean, literally just pull it out. Like, I want to see how far it'll stretch.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, it stretches. It's harder to stretch than 3M vinyl. Or Avery or any other major brand. But it's harder to stretch, but it does stretch. It can take a little more heat. Let's see how far we can pull it before it rips. Oh my god, it stretches. It just needs more heat.
There it goes. It's giving away.
There we go. It stretched pretty far. That was a good test. Okay, so it stretched pretty far, as you can tell. I mean, it was harder to stretch. It needed more heat than, like I said, one of the major brands. I'm not going to say any more names of one of the major brands. I mean, I think it's sticking. At least I hope it's sticking. Okay, well, I mean, it's on there. It stretches. It's on there. Let me light it up. It looks cool and light. It's how do I describe it? Look how shiny my paint is, though. Jesus. My paint's really flaky. I like it. But, let's see. I mean, shit. It stretches fine. It's sticking on there pretty good. Like, it feels like it's on there like a regular vinyl would be.
Let me see.
Give it a peel, watch.
It's a little easier to peel off than the black one.
Yeah. But it's sticking, though. I mean, it sticks. Oh, jeez. It leaves some glue behind.
Yeah.
Like, as you can see, it did leave glue behind, which I don't like. But I mean, it does come off. I could roll this off my finger. I'll use some glue gun. Look at that, it's turned into a glue boogie. Well, that's that. I mean, I didn't see any glue lines when we had it stuck on there, but I'll have to rewatch the footage to make sure. Oh, whoa, genius idea. What if I use the China vinyl and I wrap it over this vinyl? That's not a bad idea.
That is not a bad idea at all.
It wouldn't, if it left glue lines behind.
Because it would protect
my whole paint.
Mm-hmm.
We could do that. I might do that. Mainly because, you see, this is mainly why, is because of this shit. Like, why I'd consider doing that. Look at all this glue. I could probably get off with some rubbing alcohol, which I have right on top of me. It does come off, like, but, fuck, I don't know. I don't like the way that glue is.
I wonder if it's from the heat.
It might be, because I heated it up a lot.
Yeah.
So maybe we should just do that. Maybe we should just wrap over the black wrap. Now, a lot of people are probably cringing right now because, like, why would you do that? Well, as you can see, I don't want that to happen to my paint, so we'll try one more piece. And if it comes off like that again, then perhaps we'll buy the world's cheapest vinyl and we'll wrap it over name brand vinyl. Some parts I would want to pull off, like, I probably want to pull off my trunk because I don't like the way my trunk came out either way. And probably pull off certain parts of the bumper. I'll probably just chop off because I don't like some parts in the bumper. I would want to tell the boys because I don't want to surprise them if I do this. I still don't know if I'm going to do this, by the way. If I do this, I'm not going to tell the boys. I'm just going to order vinyl and just do it. And I'll knock it out pretty quick. Especially with wrapping over the wrap that's already on here. I'd probably leave my roof black. I like the black roof. Mm-hmm. Overall consensus on the vinyl. It works well. I think glue lines, bad from peeling it up, but it's probably because I overheated it. That's my thought process on that. But other than that, I don't know. I'm tempted to do it. At the same time, I feel like I should just not be a cheap bastard and just buy the 3M with gold sparkle if I want that color. But it's still tempting because it's literally less than half the price. And it's like, I've tested cheap products before, so why not do it again? Why not buy the world's cheapest vinyl wrap, China wrap? So there you have it, folks. We have got a stock cat. We have, what else did we do, Kitty? Tell me what we did, Kitty. We tested the world's cheapest Chinese vinyl, which I don't know, we might use, who knows? Don't know yet still. And we fixed my underglow finally. My underglow, in case, I'm pretty sure I said this in a video, but I snapped my lip off. And when I modified my Axeback exhaust, going into the exhaust shop, it's like, the dip's literally, I'm not even exaggerating, it's like this big. It's like goes straight down almost. And so that's how the lip cracked, and my underglow was attached to the lip. Yeah, probably a dumb move on my part, but I didn't expect to, kind of crack my lip into like 4 pieces. But anyways, it's fixed. It's mounted back on the car itself. I mounted it on the subframe right there in the front. But next episode will be either more mods for Sways 07 STI or a special JDM part for the Blobby. Little Blobby's getting something very special this weekend. It's actually showing up today because this is the next day from the underglow video while I'm outroing this. So, until that next video, I'll catch you guys later. Goodbye! Every day to live within the lavish to manage your madness, use entertainment that you have seen seven planet. Now you never sleep, cause there's so little time to take advantage. All I ever wanted was to banish anguish. All on my own, what I can't